Tired of seeing Android 123 or XYZ as your hotspot name? Whether you are sharing it with your friend or you want your hotspot name to be a bit cooler, so this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today quick fix is regarding how to change your hotspot name on Android. So let's get started. Step number 1, open settings. First, unlock your phone and go to the settings app. It's that gear icon you see on your home screen or in your app drawer. Alternatively, swipe down and tap on the icon from the notification bar. Next, tap on network and internet or connection and sharing. Next step is to choose personal hotspot. Tap on personal hotspot or hotspot and tethering or mobile hotspot. This is where your phone controls how it shares internet with other devices. Here you will see your current hotspot name, password, and even options to turn it on or off. The next step comes to change the hotspot name. Now tap on the field that says hotspot name or network name. Delete the old one and type a name that suits you. Then hit save or apply, and it's done. And that's it. Your Android hotspot is now got a new identity and is now more personalized. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.